Korean barbecue pork belly is a beloved dish known for its rich flavors and succulent texture. Its popularity extends beyond Korea, with food enthusiasts worldwide craving its delicious taste. In this video, we delve into the art of cooking Korean barbecue pork belly to crispy perfection on the grill. Join us as we explore the nuances of preparing and grilling this savory delicacy, ensuring that each bite is a delightful culinary experience. The key to a perfect Korean barbecue pork belly dish lies in selecting the right cut of meat. Choosing the ideal pork belly ensures a balance of meat and fat, crucial for the dish's flavor and texture. Opt for pork belly with just the right amount of fat for that juicy, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Additionally, considering the thickness of the slices is crucial for successful grilling, as it affects the cooking time and final texture. Join us as we explore these essential tips for selecting the perfect cut of pork belly for your Korean barbecue feast. To elevate the flavors of Korean barbecue pork belly, marinating the meat with a delectable Korean barbecue marinade is essential. The marinade infuses the meat with a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and umami notes, creating a delicious base for grilling. Timing is key when marinating the pork belly. Allow it to absorb the flavors for the perfect amount of time to enhance taste and tenderness. As the meat marinates, preparing the grill and ensuring it's set up correctly for cooking is crucial. Join us as we delve into the art of prepping pork belly for grilling to achieve mouth-watering results. Achieving that crispy perfection on Korean barbecue pork belly requires mastering the art of grilling. Follow essential tips to ensure the meat's exterior achieves a delightful crunch while maintaining succulent juiciness inside. Maintaining the grill at the right temperature is crucial for optimal cooking. Controlling heat ensures even grilling and prevents burning. Flipping the pork belly at precise intervals promotes consistent cooking and caramelization, enhancing flavor and texture. Join us as we explore the intricacies of grilling techniques for crispy perfection, elevating your Korean barbecue experience to new heights. The final step in the journey of Korean barbecue pork belly is serving and savoring the delectable dish. Slicing the grilled pork belly into bite-sized pieces enhances the dining experience, making it convenient to enjoy each flavorful morsel. Pairing the pork belly with traditional Korean barbecue accompaniments like lettuce wraps and dipping sauces adds depth and freshness to each bite, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. Indulge in the crispy perfection of the grilled Korean barbecue pork belly, experiencing a symphony of textures and tastes that culminate in a truly satisfying culinary adventure.